Okay, day whatever, lost track here at the Pioneer Cabin. Sitting, taking a coffee break, watching the loons, just dove down. Another beautiful day on the lake. And Griff is down there doing what he does. Finally got on film, Griff, and that's what you do. Typical dog. Griff's making coffee for me while I sit here on my rear end. She's milling logs, stripping bark. We're making good progress. I think we've got 8 or 9 up there now. Well, pretty much the lower logs that we're going to put the rafters on. Helicopter's coming in. We just cleared that opening right there for the heli to drop the milled rafters that Dave made back at the lodge. Weather permitting, they'll be here mid to late afternoon. That'll be pretty cool. We'll get that on tape. Things are coming right along. The weather holds, we'll go for an evening kayak. It's just like glass out there today. Super quiet. Typical remote Alaska. Loving life. Okay, so we're not just working, we do eat while we're out here and sit down every once in a while. So we have, for the Pioneer Cabin, everybody that stays up here, we've got our own freeze dryer. And we make our own food. Real food. That basically we completely freeze dry, meaning it's 99% dehydrated, and just add boiling water and it's just like new. It's awesome. Holds for 25 years. It's been one of our best investments, and we can pretty much freeze dry just about anything. So another good meal up here without having refrigeration. Okay, we're back at the lodge and got the mill set up here, stripping logs, and this is for the rafters that'll be going on the Pioneer Cabin. So Crazy Chef Dave has been milling away. Just got this Hudson bandsaw last year with all the dead spruce trees we've had laying around here. It's really been a gift to make our own lumber, so this is going to be pretty awesome. Rough sawn timbers that are going to be the rafters for putting the new roof on the Pioneer Cabin. Headed back up there later this evening, and some of the guys will come up in the next few days and start stacking the logs for the walls, and eventually get these slung up there with the helicopter and be ready to put on the roof. Pretty sweet. Nice. So there's the rafters. Good start. We're gonna have 30 of them, 15 on each side of the roof. We're doing a 7/12 pitch, and then running plywood sheathing. Crossed it, a couple of braces in between at the peak, and then we'll be doing corrugated and/or steel roofing on top. And that's just a bunch of extra true 2x4s the Dennis milled last fall. So, good start on the lumber front.
Make sure that it's nice and square against the column, right? There you go. Horse Perfect.
You guys are all going to be famous.
Now we have the rafters to the Pioneer cabin, delivered by the helicopter. And we still have the loon. Didn't mind the helicopter at all.